Okay, there's a lumber. That's a dog. That's a dog. I didn't need to tell you that. I don't know why I just said that, but there they are. Yep. You see me build one tractor, 2 tractors. We're building another one. This one's for meat birds. There's our first board. 11 feet. I gotta cut it. Oh my gosh, the allergies are so bad. So bad. All right, chicken tractor number 3 for meat birds is done. We built this feeder. Pretty common feeder. Everybody's seen them. They hang. You know, you raise them up and down as the chicks get bigger. And then I looked at it and thought, we were like, I don't think that's going to be big enough, deep enough. It's going to hold a lot of feed as compared to the boxes that I built in the other 2 chicken tractors that we have. And I got a feeder up in this corner. And it's about 8 scoops, almost 5 gallons of feed will go in one of those little buckets right here. Even though I don't have it. The other 2 tractors, they have something right there for a feeder. And it's almost 5 gallons worth of feed that goes in there. We hardly have to actually refill it. It takes us a good long while. But we started, we thought, well, how many scoops will fit in one of these things of what we use for the 5-gallon bucket? And only half will go in here. I don't want to have to keep going and feeding these things more than once a day. Because I just don't, because that's not what we do. So I am going to abandon this project right here, and I'm going to go make another feeder, kind of like I have in the other 2 coops up over there on that corner, except it's not going to go in that corner because we have 36 meat birds going in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this space right here, that one right there, that one right there, and I'm going to make 2 feeders. Same thing, we'll put plexiglass in them on the opposite side, so when you're in the outside you could just look in and see what the level of feed is at. So that's what I got to go do. We're going to have to go mill some cedar. I have 1 cedar log left. It's not very big, but I think it will be enough for 2 feeders that are 20 inches by 30 inches. That's what we're going to go do. Let's go mill some lumber. It. Still have that big cant. It measures roughly 6 1/8 by 8 1/2. That's a little over 8 feet. I didn't want to break that up, so I have 2 of those, 6 1/2. Well, I guess those are 8 1/2 inches wide by 8 feet long. But that's my pile. That's what I milled up. Between all of that that's in there, I can make it work. It's got some edges that I won't use. Like that. Well, not really. Like that. I won't use that. Or I won't use this down here. I don't like that plastic feeder. Like I said, I feel like it's about as efficient as a spaghetti noodle. Which in my opinion is one of the least efficient noodles of all of the spaghetti noodle family. I guess the only thing less efficient would be angel hair pasta. Sheesh. Point is, I don't want to have to go up there and feed those birds twice a day or 3 times a day. Because they've decimated just what those 4 scoops of that little 6-foot long PVC holder could hold. So I don't know. Maybe I still have to do it. I have no idea. But that's the next process, building it. There you go. Meat tractor done. There's our feeders. The idea is plexiglass, you can see where the feed is, where when we need to fill it. You fill it. In this case, you'd have to unscrew this guy. Dump the feed in there. Same, pull this cap off. Get this on here all the way. The idea is, I don't want to feed these things multiple times a day. I just want to fill it up when needed. But that's only allowing 10, I mean even 20 if you put 2 birds in each hole there. And we have 36. So there's the waterer. They can come in. I guess that's their exercise. They got to go from the feed box over to the waterer. Plus we'll leave the door open so they can go forage. Or maybe not. Whatever they do. But chicks are here, 3rd tractor's done. We'll see how those do. I don't know how those are going to do. Seemed good. Do you think we're going to need the spaghetti noodle?
No.
I think we're going to need it.
No, we'll be fine. Good efficient. This is going to work great.
I don't know. You got 2 sides of that thing. That's like a buffet for them.
You know what? A little competition and moving around is good.
Okay, there you have it. Competition, moving around is good. We're done.